Talk about squeegee blades. So as you can see, this one is a 14-inch blade. This one here has got an 18-inch on it. You can also buy these online. But I want to talk for a minute about changing your blade because blades tend to run out I probably change my blade once a week. Maybe if it lasts really long, it might go for 2 weeks. But anyway, all right, let's talk about changing your blade. Your blade will probably last you anywhere between 1-2 weeks. If you're lucky, probably 3 weeks. But I change my blade probably on average about every week, maybe a week and a half. But super easy to change. You just start by removing one end. You see a little pin there, you just pop that off. You do the same with the other side. Pull it all the way out, you pop that off. Now you want to go get yourself a new squeegee blade. So this one's a 14-inch, so we'll need a 14-inch. So when you have your new squeegee blade, you're just going to pop one of the pins on one side first. And you want to leave about, I don't know, a few millimeters of length on the end. And then you go ahead and you pull it right through the channel again. Boom. Make sure that's in tight. And you do the same with the other side. Pull it out a little bit. Boom. And you successfully changed your squeegee blade. Now you're ready to go clean windows without leaving streaks. And that's pretty much it for blades. Buy what you think might work for you. I mean, for me, a 14-inch squeegee blade is my standard size for cleaning residential properties. I like it because it's big enough to where it'll cover a lot of the surface area of a window in a quick amount of time, but it's not so big that I'm having to get smaller squeegees from the truck. 18 inches are okay. They're great for like doing storefronts and such because the windows tend to be larger, but I like to stick with a 14-inch.